I learned this later than I should have. Most people never think about it until the job disappeared, and I was one of them. I drove trucks for 30 years, good work, steady work. I believed that if I just kept going, everything would be fine. Then my marriage ended, and I realized I had no backup, no second income, no plan. Nobody taught me how to build something of my own. Nobody showed me the basics, how to start simple without ads, without complicated funnels, without chasing trends. I had to figure it out piece by piece in the cab of my truck. And that's why I put everything into one place, a simple blueprint, the steps I wish somebody has shown me from the beginning. No fluff, just the basics and a system that actually works. Enter your email and I send it to you for free because I know what it feels like to start with nothing.